Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning. It's the Mazda6 Sport NAV estate with full Mazda service history, absolutely full and comprehensive service history. Front park distance control, bodywork's in superb condition throughout, as you can see. Rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, rear camera. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the rear parcel shelf. Really great value for money. Full leather interior, cup holders with a centre armrest, electric windows, electric mirrors, Bose stereo system, electric memory seats. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats. It's a 170 miles, 6-speed gearbox, navigation, all there, media pack, Bluetooth, 6-speed box, your iDrive, centre armrest, plugs and the USB. Just got everything. DJH, full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.